go, 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 go. Yay!
What's Bella having?
She's gonna share with me. And we're filming, so. It's huge! It's so big! So big! And this is the new one, by the way. So, yeah. We'll go for here. Yeah, so this is the new McDonald's, which opened like a month ago. Something like that, I'm not sure. So, yeah. 1 minute, please. Hello, everyone. We're in McDonald's now. We'll get our stuff in a minute. We're just waiting in the queue. What drink? This is so cool. I've never actually been to McDonald's. Don't ask me why. We're going up the stairs. This is so fun. Hopefully there's not too many people up here. So yeah. I'll be back in a minute. So I'm sat here. Just waiting. Okay, so I'm gonna eat now. Bye!
Yeah.
Okay, bye!